celebrity makeup artist secrets on instantly getting rid of dark circles.
Megan Ambroch here, founder of sh.cosmetics celebrity makeup artist, and I'm going to show you how to banish, cover, and camouflage dark circles. Whether you have light skin, medium skin, darker skin, these two are going to do the job. This one, which is a mauve pink, that one is for your light complexion. And if you have a medium to dark complexion, you're going to use the orange. Let me show you how you use it. All right, so here's the mauve pink. As you can see, I have dark circles under here, dark circles, bags. Mama is tired, and I want to look refreshed in an instant, and this is how I do it. So I'm going to use the lighter shade, which is the mauve pink, and I'm just going to dab that on using this little applicator here, simple and easy. I just dab 2 dots there on the darker area underneath my eye, and I'm just blending that in. I'm brightening up my under eye. I am creating the look of sleep. And look how that just brightens it right up. Just lightened and brightened, and that's it. Just dab it on. Look at that. Boom. Lighter and brighter. And what you can do after that is you can just use your concealer if you really want to lock it in. And you know, you want to just have that seamless coverage. Just dab on a little bit. I'm using the Perfect Concealer here. And just dab that on, and boom, done. Look at the difference. And this one was even darker than this one, so boom, there you go. And I'm just going to show you the orange shade on this eye, because if you're really dark, like see that darkness right there, I'm just going to dab that on. The orange is going to counteract that deep gray shade, and you're just going to dab that on, and you're just going to blend that in. Okay, see, it's very orange, but then you can just pop on your concealer using the Perfect Concealer by sh.cosmetics here. I'm going to pop that on right on top of that orange, and I'm just going to lighten and brighten and blend. Look at that. Seamless blending in. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Hope you like this video, and check out these 2 concealers. We have the mauve pink, and we also have the orange in the Camouflage Color Cream by sh.cosmetics. Check them out. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and follow us at sh.cosmetics. Bye!